Your iteration statement is also going to be different. Instead of adding 1 to I in each loop, with each loop rather, you need to subtract it by 1. Like you did earlier with I assigned to the result of I plus 1, update your iteration statement to give I the value of subtracting 1 from itself. Okay, we have so we have to subtract I, or the value of I, by 1 with each loop, correct? So we have to remember the incrementation. So this is the increment operator. So it adds I by 1 with each element. However, we could also use subtraction with the same syntax. Charot. Oh, that was bad. I'm sorry. Forget about it. Wait, is that even? Okay, I should decrement. Yes, it's true. It's in here. The decrement operator subtracts 1 from its operand. See? It's the same. Oh, yeah. So rather than it's this one, you have to make it on. You have to put it on the left side. No work, lazy. So why? I do not know. I believe it would be the same. Anyways, nice.